RAK12003 IR non-contact temperature sensor. This sensor slot module measures temperature between -20 and 85 degrees Celsius. Ideal for applications like high-precision non-contact temperature measurement and body temperature measurements. Comes in 10 by 10 mm in size. Features 3.3 volts input voltage. Measurement resolution 0.01 degrees Celsius. I2C interface. Measurement rate 16 milliseconds to 2 seconds programmable. Field of view 50 degrees. MLX90632 IR temperature sensor. RAK12003 IR non-contact temperature sensor.